Hi to all my friends, and if you ever shop DeWALT, you have probably noticed the same battery can say 20V max and 20V XR on the label. So what is going on? Are these two different systems? And the quick answer before we open them up. 20V max, the platform, voltage branding and the whole cordless ecosystem. 20V max at full charge. If it says 20V max, it fits all 20V max tools. XR, extended runtime, and the premium series of DeWALT batteries. It should be a little bit better in every angle. It's like a premium tire inside that platform. Usually higher capacity, better cells, often tougher build. But this is not a separate voltage. It's a line within 20V max. Same connector, same tools, different tire. But is there a real difference between them? As for me, they look the same. I think it's probably just a sticker. So let's crack them open and let's find out. The name of the model absolutely the same. DCB205. Type 2, Type 2. Everything looks the same. So 5 amperes DeWALT 20V max system made in 2025 and XR in 2024. Even screws are the same. So try to find any difference. Everything is the same. But let's look deeper. Buttons and indicators the same. So what we see over here, just have a look closely. This is the same cells. The only difference I can see over here is this cover. At max, it's just naked. Probably it's better to have this layer than not to have it, but I cannot say that this difference make this battery premium or this one some kind worse. So now I can definitely say, if we're talking about these batteries, max and XR are the same. Removing XR from 5 amperes batteries, they will just trying, as I think, to sell you something more expensive. That's it for today. Thank you for your attention.